Geometries of the Soul. Alfio Giuffrida. Art, Spirituality, and the Future. Alfio Giuffrida's art is a threshold. It is crossed not with the gaze, but with the mind. His works are not offered as objects to contemplate, but as structures to inhabit internally. In an age where art is often noise, Giuffrida constructs silences. In a world that rushes by, he slows down, and he invites us to do the same. His research moves between spirituality, nature, and technology. But these are not separate themes. They are dimensions that intertwine, contaminate, and merge. Each work is a node in this network. Every form is a thought. Every module is a question. Kathedralen, 2009, is not a cathedral in the architectural sense. It is a mental cathedral, a modular structure that evokes the sacred through verticality, symmetry, and transparency. The forms repeat like a visual mantra. Emptiness is not absence, it is active space. Light is not decoration, it is matter. In this work, Giuffrida does not represent the sacred, it suggests it. He makes it vibrate in space. In Enthüllungen, 2009, the concept of revelation becomes structure. Forms open, reveal themselves, multiply. Each module is a threshold. Each repetition is a prayer. The sacred is not hidden, it is layered. The work does not impose meanings, but allows them to emerge. It is like a text to be read with eyes closed. Exponate, EXP11, is an invisible temple. It has no walls, no altars. It is made of suspended geometries, of silent symmetries. The visitor does not enter, he immerses himself. The work is not a physical space, but an interior space. It is an invitation to secular contemplation, to spirituality without dogma. Giuffrida does not limit himself to evoking the sacred. He also seeks it in nature, but not in its mimetic representation. Nature for him is code, it is language, it is structure. In Bonsai, EXP8, 2017, the bonsai becomes a symbol of patience and harmony. The shapes are essential, the colors are clear, the structure is modular. The bonsai is no longer a plant. It is thought. It is balance. It is an algorithm. In Natura, EXP17, 2018, the stylized leaves on a light background tell the story of metamorphosis, the life cycle, ephemeral beauty. Every shape is a thought. Every color is a sensation. Nature is not decoration. It is meditation. It is synthesis. It is abstraction. Hängende Pflanzen, EXP5, is a series of paintings in which plants float. They escape gravity. They free themselves from the earth. They become dreams, thoughts. Nature is no longer tied to the ground. It is spiritualized. It is suspended. It is contemplative. But Giuffrida doesn't stop there. His research also touches on technology, not to celebrate it, but to question it. In CD Homes, 2008, CDs and electronic components become digital temples. The modular structures evoke homes, shelters, and architecture. But they are made of memory, of obsolescence, of fragments. The work invites us to reflect on what it means to inhabit the digital. Etagen und Antennen, 2009, is a composition reminiscent of antennas and overlapping planes, symbols of communication, social stratification, and connection. The forms are essential, but they evoke networks, flows, and hierarchies. Art becomes infrastructure. It becomes a system. Programma, 2006, is a visual interface. It evokes software, programming languages, and circuits. The forms resemble mind maps, diagrams, and schematics. Art merges with information technology, but without losing its soul. The work shows us that even the digital can be poetic, fragile, human. Giuffrida's legacy is not just made up of works. It is made up of visions, intuitions, languages. He has influenced artists working with conceptual minimalism, relational art, and visual ecology. He anticipated central themes today: sustainability, postmodern spirituality, and the digitalization of identity. With the Sinnwerke project, he demonstrated that art can be a system, a network, a process. He has inspired collectives, curators, and designers. He has opened paths. He has built bridges. His works, based on CDs and electronic modules, are prophetic. In a world dominated by NFTs, augmented reality, and digital archives, Giuffrida anticipated the concept of electronic memory as an artistic space. His abstract reinterpretation of nature speaks to new generations of ecological artists. His suspended plants, stylized bonsai, and geometric leaves are symbols of balance and sustainability. In an age of rediscovering the sacred, Giuffrida offers a visual language for meditation without dogma. His invisible cathedrals, abstract revelations, and modular temples are instruments of secular contemplation. His art doesn't end with the work. It begins with the viewer, and it continues in those who interpret it, in those who transmit it, in those who live it. Spirituality is not a subject. It is a condition. Alfio, Giuffrida.